Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I'm in Big Lots where I'm finding lots of spring and Easter decor. You know what that means. Let's go shopping. I always love when they put out their spring decor, so let's start over here. They do have a really nice fresh cut flower sign. That one's only $14. It is metal, good size. Down here for $22 they have a pot hanging garden piece, and then below that they're doing lots of daisies. This little sign for $8. Down here they've got a lantern that is filled with daisies in yellow and white for $20. They also have a garden pillow. This one is $18. It's trimmed out in the jute, and then they have really cute garden stake bike in the daisies also for $18. We're also going to head over and look at all the Easter items when we are done looking at all the spring. Lots of plants, a trio of succulents for $12. Also have a potted plant for $12 and this one for $20. That is such a cute sign. It's just the one-sided. Also really like this. This is also $20. It is just a standing bamboo style votive holder or candle holder. I've got a lot of these little planters in garden. That's only $12. That's actually not bad at all. Up here they've got a few more of the garden themed items. So this is a garden hanging basket with 2 baskets on it. It's actually $22. And then they have an enamel welcome sign in the green. That one is only $14. Really good price on that. And then down here for $16 they have a welcome sign with a daisy wreath. And then they have some hanging pots for $14. These are really cool. Down here for $16 they have some birdhouse hooks. Those are really nice. And then a very large garden sign. So this one's $26, and it does have a bucket here. You could put a plant in. It's probably, I'd say, 36 inches tall. No kickstand on the back of it, but it does have the jute hanger up at the top. And then they've got a metal sunflower garden stake for $10, and the hanging metal, I guess this is actually a daisy for $10, and it looks like those also come in the white and yellow. We've got some more potted succulents, this one in a green container for $12, and then a hanging pot for $14. Some green and gray on that. This is really cool for $14. It says plant lady on it. I would love to have that. And this green, I'm guessing terrarium. I guess you could use it as a lantern. It is so beautiful. So it is metal with the glass, and it is $30. It's a really good size. The base on it is wood. And then they've got this plant stand with 2 faux plants for $25. I thought that's really cute too. And then for $14, more planters with Don't Stop Be Leafing. It's pretty cute. Down here they've actually got what looks like patio coffee table in the green in metal. So the green is the larger one, and it is called a garden drum. It is $45, and it also comes in a smaller version in the black for $40. Down here they've got more planters. So this one in the black is $24, I believe. Yes, so metal planter. It's just a box style. And they've got this one for $30. I love these. They've also got one in the black. This one's only $20. It's a little bit smaller. And this one is all metal. For $12, they also did this planter in bloom where you're planted. I love that so much. They also did a white pickup truck for $20, full of some daisies, some more succulents. And down here is another planter with 4 metal containers, and it does have the base on it. It looks terracotta, but it's not. That one is $24, and then for $4, they have the very heavy slate style stakes for your garden. They also have lots of the glass spritzers actually along the back of the shelf for $7, And this definitely looks like Hearth and Hand Target for $15. That's such a good buy. Up here they have more plant lady planters for $16. Some of these little terrariums with very colorful succulents for $12. And also for $16, this super cute little planter. Oh, they are so cute. Over here for $12, they have a couple more planters, Grow Old With Me and High Maintenance. So I also came across that watering can in black. Ooh, do I need it? Do I want it? Down here I found more planters and I love these. So this one is $24. It's more of a square. They are a two-piece item. So you can actually remove the wooden box portion, and it's actually only $22, but there's no drainage, so you need another vessel in there. And then they've got the larger one. This one is $34. Give you guys an idea of the size. And you could use it either way. I did turn the stand just to show you that you can twist at the bottom and have it look either that way or a little bit more open at the bottom. Over here they've got more new items. So they've got a lot of these. I think these are porcupines, little planter for $10. Some really cute mushrooms in the gray and white. Those are $12. And this tray in Fresh Flower Market for $16 is so pretty. I love the metal handles on it. It's a good size, really good deal. They've got a little green planter. This one is $16 in the metal. So that's cardboard, not wood. So those are just little porcupines. And then for $20, they do have the grapevine look lantern lights. And let's see if they light up. They also have a really pretty bright yellow daisy pillow. This one is really well stuffed for $20. Over here they've got another little planter full of daisies. This one is metal and $18. Up here they've got some more plants. Looks like these are going to be $10. And then they have some ceramic birds for $8. I really like this oh hello sign. That one's only $12. And they've got another porcupine. Let me know if this is a hedgehog. I'm thinking porcupine. This one's also $12. Down here they've got the Plant Whisperer pillow. It's a good size. That one is $20. And they've also got some plants. And this, it's a solar lantern. It's $50. So oy vey, but it is really cool. So I think that it just has the mechanism in the top and it'll shine down on the bottom. That's actually just like a cardboard protector there on the top, but $50. They've got more greenery. This one's only $16. I think that's actually a really good price. And then some metal baskets for $10 and some candles. So now let's head on over and check out the Easter stuff. Definitely looks like they're setting up for Easter. They have a lot of the same items. So I'm going to show you guys what they have out so far. Down here they've got some small baskets full of eggs with a little sisal bunny in there for $16. They're putting out their topiaries covered with eggs, and those are only $12. That's a really good price, I think, for this size topiary. The bottom is plaster, so not even plastic. Over here they've got a planter in Happy Easter full of eggs. That one's only $16. And then they have this hop sign that is only $14. It's on hinges, so it actually folds up. And they've got lots of the little signs that say Easter. Those are only $8. And then down here they have a bunch of the heather in different metal containers. These look like the ones from the Dollar Tree that say Flower and Garden. Those are $12. And then they don't have any shortage of glass eggs. So these are the smaller eggs. They come in a blue and a white. These are $10. And then the much larger ones also come in the white and in the blue, and they're only $12. So really good prices on those. And then up here they have some very cute floral covered Easter eggs. So these are only $6. Really happily surprised by their prices. We've got the blue, the purple, and the yellow. They're also putting out all their planters for spring. Now let's head over to the decor section and see what's going on over there. Over here, they're starting to put out all kinds of solar and lantern style items for the summer. Up top, they've got their Topiaries. So this one is kind of like a cone shape, but a squared cone. They do have lights, and there's a few Christmas trees on clearance, but they're only 50% off. So they have some candle sets. Those are $25. They have a few different versions. Down here they have a hanging glass chandelier. That's really pretty for $45. And then a few light up solar lanterns. So this one is $20, or actually I think this is battery operated. These are really nice. They're $30. And they have the 3 candles inside. And then over here some solar, the light bulbs hanging upside down. Then they have some hanging fixtures. So these are $10. They definitely look like bugs in there flying around, little fireflies. And then they have some lanterns up here for $12 and I think $15 in the wood. Down here they've got more lanterns for $20, but this really got my eye. So this is by Broyhill. It's an indoor-outdoor fixture. It's $120, but I think it's really pretty. They also have the large bulb sets by Broyhill and the wood beaded LED chandelier. That one's really nice. That one is priced at $140. I wish they had some on display. And down here they have the LED Edison bulb chandelier. That one's $120. So you may want to check those out if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor fixtures. Over here they have a few new things from Broyhill out. I thought this clock was so nice. It's only $15. And then they have a hanging shelf. That one's a little pricey at $24. They have a wooden tray down here for $16. Some plants and a set of bottles. They do come in the wooden container for $16. They've got some ceramic vases. These are the days with a little dragonfly, and then they have some ceramic decorative balls. Those are $8 a piece. I really like this. The little votive holder, it says indoor, for $16. They've also got a hanging wreath for $24 by Broyhill. Now, the greenery could be a whole lot better, but I do like this idea with the wooden strap. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Big Lots. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.